Hi guys, what's up? It's Maris over here. I'm the host of the School of Logistics. So today we will be talking about the number one mistake that freight forwarders face when they drop out and pick up goods at the warehouse. And we will also inform you 3 important points how to avoid it from happening. So imagine you send your driver to the warehouse and you notice that they have the wrong loading reference, or worse, a wrong loading address. Such a waste of time and money, because every trucking company will charge you these extra costs for the extra miles and the waiting hours. And it's always an endless discussion and such a mess to prove who's wrong and who is to be charged for these extra costs. Number 1, instructions. A driver's job is to drive safe and navigate well, not to figure out what you meant with your vague instructions in your mail. And especially in Europe, where he's not known with the local language, the streets and the area. The first step to preventing issues with loading reference or loading addresses is for you to give clear instructions in your communication every time. Even when you have on a weekly basis a transport, give every time good instructions. Because maybe that week started a new driver with the trucking company and you assume that he knows everything, but that's not the case. So give every time good instructions. So, number 2, communication. The second action is making sure there is good communication between you and the trucking company. Good communication goes both ways. It's not a one-way street. So make sure you and your trucking company exchange information in advance and keep each other updated. Good agreements make good friends and good partners. In the end, it all comes down to the very meaning of the word logistics. When unforeseen situations occur, we take the path of the logical reasoning. So logic, common sense. Some things are not mentioned in the contracts. For these, we rely on logical reasoning, honesty, and good faith of both parties. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned. Oké, dat gaat vlot dan.
Jij is het volgende?
Waarom dat nu vlotter gaat? Omdat ik dat zelf heb geschreven. Bla 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 bla.